again. Today we are continuing with the laws of the 3 weeks with part 4 of the series. In this video, I will be discussing the laws of laundering clothes and wearing laundered clothes during the week of Tisha B'Av. One may launder their clothes during the 3 weeks until the week of Tisha B'Av, and when that week begins, it is forbidden. Clean laundered clothes are also forbidden to be worn during the week of Tisha B'Av, even if they were laundered before that week. Instead, one should prepare clothing the week before by wearing each garment for a short amount of time. This does not apply to undergarments, which are intended to absorb sweat, where it is proper to do so to them as well. If one did not prepare clothing the week before, one may do so on Shabbat in the following procedure. First, he wears one set of clothing Friday night, and when he wakes up, he wears another set, and if necessary, he could go to a nap on Shabbat afternoon and put on a third set when he wakes up. As explained before, if Tisha B'Av falls out on Sunday, then these restrictions concerning the week of Tisha B'Av do not apply in that year. One may not have a non-Jew launder his clothes, but one may himself polish his own shoes in honor of Shabbat. With this, we conclude part 4 of the series, and we wish you all a blessed day.